Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. Today I have a really fun haul to share with you guys. I have purchased a lot of Christmas decor from my favorite stores, Homegoods, and some on Amazon. And you guys already know I'm not super traditional when it comes to decorating my home for the holidays. If you caught any previous videos of mine, you will notice that my decor is very subtle and simplistic, and so it's gonna be the same way this year. All right, you guys, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna start with the Homegoods first. The majority of the decor was from Homegoods. I did find something at Joann Fabrics that I will share with you. It is going to be a DIY. I'm not gonna do the DIY in this video, but I wanted to just show you it's super easy. And so if you are interested in this idea, then there you go, you can do it and decorate your home with this lovely idea that I'm going to show you. So let's start with showing you. I purchased a set of these 3 reindeer. Now they are like wrought iron, and so they are so cool. I paid $16.99. You guys can see that. And I love that they're just black wrought iron and they have little gold antlers. Very simple, there's no glitter on it, there's no fabric. Sometimes they have like little fabric scarves on them. And I plan on putting these on my mantle. So yes, I got these. So this was what I was so happy to find, because again, as a minimalist, you know, I don't like a lot of traditional stuff, but I still want like the charm of Christmas, and I want my home to just, you know, kind of feel like the holidays. Even though as a minimalist, I think you can still decorate your home, you just don't have to follow tradition. You can kind of still have a tree and just kind of taper back the usual traditional style of, you know, the bows and the glitter and the glitz and all of that stuff, where my tree this year is gonna be very minimal. I think I went a little too traditional last year and it was beautiful, but I'm going to scale that all back, and I'm just pulling it all away this year. So I found these, and I think these are super unusual. They're a little on the industrial side. These are wire Christmas trees, and they can go anywhere. I can put these on, you know, my table, end table. I can put it on a console table. I can put it behind me on a mantle. They're just super cool, and I think they would even be cool past Christmas. They just have like a funky, just wire with a wooden base design, super minimal, super cool, very modern. And I just, you know, I just think that they are very different for Homegoods, super different. I'm excited to decorate with these guys. Okay, so the next item I found was pretty much close to that tree. It's made of real wood, and it's just a wooden tree with a base. This was $12.99. I'm sorry guys, these ones were $7.99. So there was $7.99 each. This one was $12.99, and it's a nice thick piece of wood. And again, just super minimal, nothing glitzy about it. I just love, again, I'm adding wood tones to my home. You guys already know that. And so I think this is just a perfect little wooden piece to kind of accent somewhere in the house. I have a lot of rooms to decorate, so the more the merrier. So I'm assuming these ones are some type of glass. I don't even remember what I bought. Oh, okay. So I have this beautiful ceramic tree. I paid $9.99 for it. So cool. And I also got a smaller one to kind of offset it. I made the mood kind of cozy and holiday for you guys. I hope you don't mind. Might be a little dark in here and getting darker as I go. So I'm going to try to speed this up just for the sake of lighting. Otherwise, I'll be completely just lit by the fire. All right, so here's the other one that I got, and this one was $6.99. And I just think that they're cute. Just a cute little pair. I might put these like in the bathroom, maybe in my bedroom, on my dresser. So, I mean, these little cute things can really go anywhere. Okay, so the next thing I got from Homegoods is this beautiful magnolia leaf wreath. And guys, I love magnolia trees. It's one of my favorite trees. And I plan on putting this either above the mantle or in my front entryway, or maybe possibly my door. I I haven't even thought about how I'm going to design any of this yet. I wanted to share with you guys my entire haul, and then I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna decorate my home and show you guys exactly where all of these wind up. But this was a great buy. I paid $29.99. And guys, this looks really legit. I love that they almost like feel like rubber, so it's like really nice quality. This is gonna be the last piece I picked up from HomeGoods. I almost always get candles, and I have so many, but I couldn't resist getting this huge jar. Guys, this smells so heavenly. The name of the scent is, this was $39.99. This was more than everything else that I purchased. And the scent of this candle is Shimmered Citrus. And it smells very citrusy with like, it almost smells like orange and cinnamon. All right, so now we're gonna get into the Amazon purchases. So if you guys saw my IGTV yesterday, it was Thanksgiving and I did a little table styling. If you're not following me on Instagram, it is just Liz_Besanson. I'll put the link up here. You can follow me there. I do a lot of home decor and do a lot of styling. And so I do believe if you love that stuff, you will enjoy my content there. And I picked these up from Amazon. I really, really love the quality of these. These are eucalyptus swags. Now, there are 3 swags, and I do believe I paid $24, maybe less. I will link these down below for you guys. There's 3 in the package, which surprised me. I honestly thought it was just 1. I can easily pay 20 some odd dollars for this at Joann Fabrics or Michael's. Any craft store for 1 swag is normally about that price. And so I have 3 of them. And guys, these look so really pretty, and they just added a really nice touch to my table yesterday. I was going more for just a very organic and just sort of vintagey type of vibe yesterday. Again, non-traditional. I just wanted, and I also added some dried baby's breaths just to kind of like, I don't know, just have like this whole dried floral kind of vision for my table. And so these came in so handy. This is such a good buy, guys. You can use these year-round too. You can, have these up on your mantle for Christmas. You can decorate your tables for them. And I'm going to jump ahead a little bit because I do believe this is where the little DIY thing I was talking about in the beginning of the video. I have purchased this from Joann Fabrics. This is a huge 30-inch wreath, and it's a grapevine wreath. These kind of swags, you can use any swag you want. So guys, you would just take this and just start wrapping it like so around and around. And you can leave spaces if you want it completely covered with the greenery. You can also do that and around. And so that is how you would create your very own Christmas wreath. So if you didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars on the ones that they pre-sell at like Michael's or your local craft store, because they can get really pricey, you can make your own. This wreath was only $10. It's 30 inches and it was only $9.99. And then these wreaths and then these swags I purchased on Amazon, and technically there were 3 in a package for $20, 20 some odd dollars. And you can make your own wreath, guys. So you can mix and match and put bows and lights. You can do whatever you want, but I thought that this was a really cool idea. If you were kind of in a pinch for a really great wreath, just go and grab yourself a grapevine wreath and buy yourself some swag, leaves, flowers, and just wrap it, and then just finish it off with bows or lights or even some ornaments, and there you go, there you have it. So the next thing I got from Amazon was a matching, I haven't even taken it out of the package yet, it's a matching eucalyptus leaf. So this is a eucalyptus leaf wreath, so pretty. It looks like you can kind of open it up some. That's nice. Ooh, I really like that. So pretty. Guys, this is really good quality. This is a really pretty wreath. I might put this on my front door and call it a day, because that's just how I like things to be simple and minimal, and it has the essence of the holidays without being too overdone, and I really, really like it. And this little wreath, I think, was maybe $12 or $13. Again, I will link this down below in my description box. So make sure you check the description box for any of these items. Okay, so the last thing I got from Amazon, I was searching through, was it the CB2 catalog or Ballard Design? I was in one of those home catalogs, and these minimalistic evergreen trees were sort of sitting on like this wicker basket base, and I was just like, oh, those are so cool. So of course I always run to Amazon to see if Amazon has anything like it first. When in doubt, always search Amazon first, guys. Before I even think about paying a high price for anything, I go on Amazon to see if they have anything close to it. So that's how I shop, guys. So what I purchased were these baskets. So it comes like this. Let me show you. Comes like this, and there are these pieces. Let's see if I can show you. And it makes a basket, so you keep going around, and it makes the whole full-size basket. And now I have to just admit that it came with this traditional ribbon, kind of looped through here. And it was easy to remove. You can put any ribbon, so if I wanted white ribbon, gold ribbon, it's easy to just snip off. It's just hot glued on the corners. And guys, you can just weave it right through this center part here. But I love it just the way that it is, and it will stay this way. And I paid, I think, $30, maybe $35 on Amazon. Again, it will be linked down below. So all I have to do is get the tree, and we are going to set this guy up and decorate the house for the holidays. I'm actually gonna go pick up my tree right now. I live not too far from a little tree farm, and I'm gonna go and select a very small tree for this room. And then we're gonna save our big tree for next weekend. So we're gonna go to another tree farm and get a much larger tree for the family room. And so I'm going to start with the little tree here. I'm gonna decorate it for you guys. I'm gonna show you everything that I bought styled. Okay, so I'm at the tree farm. It's so pretty. Look at all these pretty little swags. So I'm gonna go to the back and see if I can find, I just want a little tree for this room. I don't want a really tall, big tree. So I'm excited. Feels like Christmas. Ready to assemble this. Never done this before. Shouldn't be too hard. Just got these little screws and a washer. So guys, this is what it looks like. I think it takes away from the beautiful pottery that it's in. And this might work if you have a traditional tree stand that would like mask the ugly traditional tree stands normally. And in this scenario, it does not work, but I did want to set it up for you and show you guys what it looks like. It is really beautiful, and it may work for my other tree in the other room, but so far it will not work here. So. The end of my video. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. I hope that you get to see what the mind frame of a minimalist thinks about when they're shopping for Christmas. It's not exactly easy because I still want the joy and the warmth and the charm of Christmas, but I just don't want to do the color and the glitter and the glitz. And you know, it's okay to have all of that. I've done that for years. I mean, I have boxes of decorations still in my basement that I've had, and I have all colors, all shapes, all sizes, you name it, ribbons, bows, lights, and just this year I'm doing it a little bit different. And so yeah, so this is what a minimal Christmas will look like. And so I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure that you give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of home decor styling and some fun DIYs. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week. Happy holidays. I'll see you in my next video soon.